Hi guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about rebates. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. And if you like these videos and you want to see more, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about 3 specific rebates, but my hope is that you guys will be able to take the information that I'm sharing with you all in this video, and hopefully it will help you fill out other rebate forms as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Up first, we are going to be talking about the pngoodeveryday.com website. Now, on this website, there's a lot of different resources for couponers, such as free printable coupons. They also have a rewards program where you can earn points, and then you can turn those points into rewards. And if you want to participate in this, all you need to do is sign up on the PNG Good website. It's really straightforward and simple. They're going to ask for your email, name, address, things like that. You can start earning points by taking a picture of your receipt and submitting it to the rewards program. You're going to earn 10 points for every PNG product that you've purchased, up to 5 items. So you can potentially earn up to 50 points per receipt. The second way that you can earn points is by taking quizzes that you find on the PNG website. Most of these quizzes are worth 10 points, and they might also pop up in your emails as well, so be on the lookout for those. Now, what do you do with those points once you have earned them? Well, there are 3 different ways that you can spend your points. The first way is by just donating your points to a good cause. The way that you can use your points is by using those to enter into sweepstakes. And the third way, which is probably the most popular way to spend your points, is by purchasing a PNG $5 digital reward. Now, they have changed this over the last few months. So let's take a look at how this works now. It's really simple. All you do is click on the digital reward. You're then going to choose the retailer that you prefer and click redeem now. One thing to take note of is that these rewards do expire. So as you can see, when I ordered mine, it gave me the expiration date of 10/31, but that will vary depending on when you order your reward. Now, within a couple of days, you will receive an email that looks just like this right here, and there will be a clickable link that you can click on. Now, right below that link, you will see instructions on how to redeem your reward, along with a list of the PNG brand items that you can spend your reward on. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you to this page where you are again going to choose the retailer where you want to spend your $5 reward. And then it's going to give you instructions on how to redeem your digital reward. But keep in mind that the instructions do vary from store to store, so make sure that you read through those very carefully. All right, now we're going to talk about the PNG rebates, but if you do have any questions on the rewards program, please leave it for me down in the comment section below. So if we're taking a look at the rebate section on the website right now, they are currently offering 3 different rebates. Here we have one specifically for Olay skin and personal care products. The second rebate, which is very similar to the one that we are going to go over, is called the Score Big Rebate. And the third one, which is the one that we're going to walk through today, is called the Holiday Savings Rebate. Now, keep in mind, you can only take advantage of each rebate one time per household. So for the Holiday Savings Rebate, you're going to get back $15 when you spend $50, or you can choose to get $5 back when you spend $20. And if you scroll on down, it's going to give you some more details, like this rebate is for products that were purchased between September the 29th and December the 29th of 2024. Down at the bottom in red, it does say you may submit multiple receipts for any single rebate. Each receipt can only be submitted once across all PNG Good rebate, meaning that you cannot use the same receipt twice. So if we scroll on down, it's going to ask you for your contact information. Then it's going to ask you for some purchase information. Now, here's where we can run into some issues, because what if you have 2 receipts that you want to submit for this rebate, but they are from different retailers? So what you need to do is put in the information for the most recent receipt. Now, at the bottom, it does say receipt total. This means that you are going to add up all of the totals from all of your receipts and type in that number there. So for my submission, I am using 2 different receipts, both from Dollar General. My total purchase was $54.76. Now, the next step is we have to put in the information for each eligible item. And this sounds a lot harder than it actually is. So we're going to start off by taking a look at our receipt and choosing the first PNG brand item. So So for me, the first item is the Original Gain Fireworks. Now right there in the middle, you're going to see a really long number. That is the UPC code. That's what we're going to need for the first line. You're going to start typing in that UPC code, and it is going to automatically fill in the second line for you. Then we're going to take a look at all of the receipts that we're using for this rebate, and we're going to count up how many times we purchased that item on these receipts. So here's a look at both of my receipts. I only purchased the Original Gain Flings 2 times. So under quantity, we're going to type in 2, and then it's going to ask you the price that you paid per item. So both items were priced at $7.18. So if you're looking at my receipt, it's going to show you the original price first, which was $14.36. Right below it, it is going to show you any coupons or discounts that you received. So in my case, it took off $7.18. So that left me to pay $7.18 per Gain firework. And then you're just going to repeat that process for every P&G brand item that you purchased on all of your receipts. So for example, here is my second P&G brand item, and here is number 3. Then I did have a fourth item for these 2 receipts, and that is the Gain sheets, which you guys can see here on my second receipt. The next step is that we're going to take a picture of all of the receipts that you are submitting for this rebate. So you're going to click on the little upload button. It's going to give you an option to choose your camera, where you can then take pictures of your receipts, or you can go into your gallery and choose pictures that you've already taken of your receipts. Then from there, you're going to scroll on down, click all of the little check marks, all of the boxes. You can go in and read all of the terms and conditions of this rebate. And then once you're done, scroll all the way down and click submit. And that's all you have to do. From here on out, you're just waiting for your gift card to arrive in the mail. All right, now we're going to move on into our second rebate. But if you guys have any questions on the P&G rebates, please leave those for me down in the comment section below. Next up, we're going to talk about the General Mills rebate. Right now, they do have a rebate on their website for when you purchase $40 or more worth of your favorite General Mills products between September the 1st and October the 31st, you are going to get a $10 reward. So the first thing that you need to do is head on over to the website and sign up for an account. Now, after you have registered your account, you will receive 2 separate emails. The first one is going to look like this right here. It does have some important information, so pause to read if you like. And the second one, which is a little bit more important, it is going to have you verify your account. You can't go any further without verifying your account, so make sure that you find that email. Now, this one's a little bit easier than the P&G rebate because all you need to do is gather up all of your receipts and put either a check mark or an X mark next to all of the General Mills products that qualify for this rebate. Now, you will submit each receipt separately on this rebate. So you're going to take a picture of the first receipt, make sure that you have those items marked on that receipt, and then it is going to ask you to select the brands that you have purchased on this specific receipt. You're then going to come to a thank you page, and from here you can go back to the home page, or you can click on my account and see the status of all of the receipts that you have uploaded so far, or you can continue on and upload another receipt towards this rebate. Now, it does take a little bit for those receipts to process, but you can always go back to the website, click on my account, and you can view the progress that you've made towards that rebate. Once you've hit $40, you will receive a $10 reward. All right, now moving on to our third rebate, and probably the easiest to submit for. This is on our Purina cat and dog treats. Now, what you want to do is purchase $25 worth of Purina cat and dog treats, and you are going to get back a $10 virtual Visa prepaid card. Now, in order to get this rebate, you are going to have to make one transaction where you purchase $25 or more worth of Purina cat and dog treats. Keep in mind, it is specifically on the Purina treats, not the Purina food. And there is a place where you can view all of the participating products. You can click on that and it's going to give you a long list of items that are included. Once you've made your purchase, it's really simple and easy. Just go back to the website, create your account, upload your one receipt, and then you're going to receive a $10 Visa prepaid card. And the good thing about this rebate is that you can take advantage of it up to 8 times per household. So if you take advantage of all of the rebates that we've talked about in today's video, you are looking at a total of $130 in rebates. All right, now that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I will leave everything linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And if you have any questions, just let me know. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me for now, but you know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all of the things. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.